It's me, Vivian, here today working on some wheel bearings. As you can see, I've already jacked up the van and took off the tire. Now I'm working on removing the caliper. There's a couple bolts on the back. And on the opposite side here, there's 3-4 bolts that I will be taking off, and then I can pull the rotor off, and then I will be undoing this bolt, and that should be just about it. We will pull the hub out and see how it works. So I'll have you on pause for a few minutes, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so we took off the rotor, the caliper, and the caliper bracket. Now we're cracking the hub nut, and we'll be able to pull the hub right out of there.
I'll record it. I got it.
Okay, so here's the hub bearing. There's 3 bolts, which you have to get from behind here. And that's ready to come off. And this little plate thingy comes off. And this needs all to be cleaned in there. It's pretty gross. It's like, I don't even know what that is.
It's a bug.
The seal is stuck in here. There it goes. Yeah, that was pretty messed up.
It's not gonna come out with the wires.
Oh, I forgot to detach it from here. Squeeze these together. Little pot. Anyway, so that's basically how you tear it all apart. Alright, clean it up in a few minutes. I'll show you how to put it back together step by step. Alright, new hub on. These bolts here, here, and here, located here, here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Alright, so we're going to put my nut on. Oh.
I love that she tried to get
Alright, I gotta put this down. Okay, so I got my caliper bracket just kind of wedged in place. There's the bolt for it right here. There's another one goes here. So I'm just gonna wrench that back together, and then this is my caliper that I just stuck in place. Goes on top of here. Okay, so I got the caliper and the bracket and my rotor and my lug nut all back together. All I have to do now is put on the tire and we're done. And I guess we'll take it for a test ride in a little bit. Anyways, that was how you do your front wheel hub assembly. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you again. Have fun. Bye.